Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Me no beard, cause time too cold. Me want go listen to Dancehall skilla on YouTube.
Alright, so miles and respect to each and every one Dancehall skilla there again. And I want to send a special shout out to a person who some people on social media call Tati. Bless up, you know. Bless up. Alright, so my people. Yeah, me have some videos I'm going to present to you. And you know, today is Sunday, so first up I'm going to present a video to you that I've recorded inside of a church. Now this video is going to show a person who, in my point of view, was showing a type of emotion. But people, I don't think that this video shows a laughing situation or a laughing matter, but the video has been talked about on social media, so take a look at the video for yourself. You know, observe and tell me what you think. Now, when it comes down to social media, a video like that might give different vibes to some people. You understand me? The video has been talked about on social media. That's why I present that video to you. How may I tell my people? Today's Sunday, so may I try to keep this video on a Sunday vibes as much as possible. Now, I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between persons who were at a gathering or among a congregation. And someone said a P word during the confrontation. Look at these pieces of videos and tell me what you think. Observe.
Can I have the speaker, please? Can I have the speaker? I don't care what anybody thinks of me. This is not the right way of doing things. What I said this is not the right way of doing things.
Listen up, people. Just look and listen.
When the moment people start taking over the house of God this way, you are on a downhill. Record everything that I'm saying. This is not the right way of doing things.
According to the law, we have the right to demonstrate.
What law? What law? What is your point of reference? In the Bible, no, you were talking. I was not talking to you in the first place. Don't say anything. Sorry? Don't ever do that. Don't point your finger at me. Never. Never do that. This is not the right way. I'm not saying Pastor Morgan is right. At the end of the day, you are going to face God. Look at you. Me? Look at you. What do you mean by that? Look at you. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Look at you. Tell me my accusation. Tell me. Who are you to tell me what to do? I'll eat you up. You cannot do that. You are moving. Who are you? Touch me and see. Touch me and see. You say that. Touch me and see. Touch me and see. Touch me and see. Yes, you touch me. I can do that. You look, you are pussy. You, can you touch me?
That type of word where some people might call a catting. Me hear it in a piece of one of the video there. You see me as my people? P word like that. In situ, you know what I mean? It just set away. But they say then call the cat them that sometimes. They say me I say, and me hear it in a cartoon. So You know? Yeah, me in a cartoon before. Now to each and every motorist, I want to take a look at this video and notice a motor vehicle that I can see in the video. And tell me what would you do and how would you feel if something like what happened to that motor vehicle that you can see in the video happened to your motor vehicle. How would you feel? What would you do if something like this happened to your motor vehicle? So me I talk about damage to glass on the front there so and damage then it look away. See, oh what a word them I say. Panic to other people. What a word them. Me I try to figure out what a word that. I think a vampire me say, what you say? Alright, so I'm gonna move on to more topics for people. See? Yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. A hungry man can be a hungry man. Or is that hungry man is a hungry man? However the saying goes, I'm not sure if that's the case when it comes on to the next video that I'm about to present to you. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can hear a person expressing anger to at least one employee of a business place that some people might call KFC. In my point of view, it seems as if a person can hear talk in the video did not like the customer service at that business place or disagree with the customer service at that business place. But you tell me what you think, my people. Saying, oh, you can hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
Sell me chicken, get no, Rasta wanting chicken.
Hello, wanna go home, wanna go home.
You know what I'm video. Come here, tell us I'm video. Man, I'm selling last time chicken, please.
Yo, okay, take so long to give me my name.
Rasta hungry now, gonna sell him more. Sell him.
Take so long to give me my name, my blood name. Yo, me know what I want to give me my money.
No, they made a refund. Rasta, they made a refund.
Rasta, they made a refund. They will not give me beef.
They made a refund.
They made a refund. So long as I take to give me my meal on the past 19, on the same 20 and 21.
Oh, I true. They can't serve it.
What will you take me for?
19 come before 20. I true.
And 22, that's what I give me now. Or what I think I give me?
Oh, you can go by this and refund it.
350, give me 350.
I want
What
me.
I think I give me?
Yes,
I want meal deal me and a meal deal back. You can give me the Rasta. No, we don't take the Rasta order, no. Rasta order, hold up me to you.
Okay, so go on. That was a bad
I ain't buy a meal deal, we don't take a meal. A meal deal me having a meal deal. No, we don't take a meal deal.
Yo, me not playing food, you know. Rasta clean out the say, you know. I mean, you know, bounty, you know. Yeah. So God, I say, what you gonna do, you know? God, I saw me, you know. You never want, you know. A Pepsi one here, sir.
Yeah, give me a Pepsi. Swan Pepsi, Swan Pepsi.
God, I say, everything gonna do, you know.
Get your money.
We don't play about that big of food.
Get your money.
We make things on the not clean here.
Get your money.
On the unclean.
Them and the
Come in and suck. You know, and I will never go behind me yet.
Catch me what ticket.
Yeah, my bottom a virgin. Straight paper alone, come about it.
Straight. Underpants.
Let me make you big clear that here. Yo, what is that? Yo, my boss. Yo, oi, mama, what is that?
Listen about that, listen.
Blood clot, a person was snapped to blood clot.
You hear that part there? A purse, me hear the person say a while ago in that video, no? Purse, me hear the person saying in the video. You see me, I say, I tell you the situation they set away. Hey, I wonder what that mean for the pork. You know, yeah, I wonder what that mean for the pork. You see, I tell the people. You see, it's when it comes down to people wearing locks like dreadlocks going inside of them kind of place there. Not all, some of them, well, some. Because I don't know, you can see the difference some of the times between some people who wear locks fashion from some people who wear locks as part of what they say is religion. And so I say, yeah, but sometimes, you know, some people who wear dreadlocks get criticized when they go in them kind of place, them people. Is that that way? Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, man, here person going, well, in some Jamaicans might say going bad for whatsoever in order. Boy, I tell you, let me know what you think about that situation. That's still my people. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video.
Through the time so cold, me I feel up under my sheet and I went in a bed with phone. And I just dance and skilla alone me I watch. Me turn on my notification bell, you know.
Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle went off the road and overturned and ended up on one of its sides, viewing subscribers. However, the video has been talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. One of those reasons is because the video shows a person who got out of the motor vehicle and also had been accused of being drunk. So when you look at this video and tell what I think about this whole situation, I would like you to tell me if you think or if you do not think a person who you can see in the video was intoxicated, or if you think the person was not intoxicated. Leave your comments. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
That's it. You're drunk. You're drunk. You saw your beer a while ago. Me say you saw your beer a while ago. You tell me say can't take me come up the road go search you. I swear you there.
Now, in my point of view, viewing subscribers, it's because the person was inside of the motor vehicle that overturned and ended up on one of his sides. You know, I think there might be some form of leniency that the person might have been shook up, as how some people might say. But with the proper test, it can be proven if the person was intoxicated or not. You see? Well, you can let me know what you think about that situation, people. Alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. So, big up and respect to each and every one, you know. Blessed Sunday. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.